Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a shake effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Import the video you want to add the shake effect to. From the bottom menu, tap Effects, then go to Video Effects. Find the camera shake effect. You'll usually see it in the trending section, or just search it in the search bar. Once the effect is added, you can adjust the settings. Speed controls how fast the shake happens, then range adjusts how intense or wide the shake movement is. Experiment with both to match the vibe of your video. And you can extend or trim the shake effect directly on the timeline. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.